with a capital W and an exclamation mark at the end. Our Wi-Fi password is welcome with a capital W and an exclamation mark at the end. Upon boarding, you receive our amenity menu, which lists all the wonderful complimentary amenities we have on board, as well as the alcoholic beverages available for purchase. I'll be through the aisles to collect those in a moment once you have had a chance to look them over. As a reminder, please set your cell phones to vibrate. We do have a library voice policy on board the coach when talking on your cell phones or to your neighbors. Please be courteous of other passengers who might be working, resting, or sleeping. We all want a working restroom on this trip, so I personally implore you not to flush anything other than toilet paper because the system is very delicate. Hand towels or other items will clog the toilet, rendering it inoperable. Now kindly direct your attention to a welcome and safety video. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
Welcome aboard VonLane. Thank you for making your journey with us today. We look forward to serving you. The Wi-Fi password is welcome with a capital W and an exclamation point at the end. Please let your attendant know right away if you have any other issues. When traveling with a small dog, please keep it in its carrier, fully zipped and quiet for the entire trip. And for your safety, please refrain from using the restroom the first and last 15 minutes of your trip, as roads get rougher and bumpier as we enter the next each city. Once we get on the open highway, your cabin attendant will begin beverage service, along with bringing you snacks and other goodies directly to your seat. Beer, wine, and spirits are all available for purchase. Federal DOT regulations require that you remain seated at all times, unless you're using the restroom. For your safety, please do not congregate in the galley area. Please review your menu and let your attendant know of any orders you'd like to place. We are here to serve you. Limited phone calls are permitted, but please remember to use your library voice. And now we would like you to pay attention to some important safety information. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal fitting into the buckle and pull on the loose end of the strap to tighten. To open, push down on the button and lift up on the buckle. We recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. While making your way to the restroom, be sure to utilize the overhead supports located below the carry-on luggage compartments. Please note that the toilet is very sensitive and all hand towels must be thrown into the trash can. This luxury motor coach is equipped with 2 rooftop emergency exits with clearly marked emergency window exits. To open a window exit, lift up on the metal bar and push out. To open a rooftop exit, hold the handle, rotate, and push the hatch up. One fire extinguisher is located in the overhead luggage space above seat 1C. And remember, the main door of this coach may be the best way to exit. Thank you for your attention and for using VonLane. We're glad you're here.
Yes, we have about... Okay, so we have about 15 minutes before we arrive at DoubleTree Hotel in Dallas. I'll be through the aisles to collect any items you may have borrowed during this trip, such as pillows, blankets, or lap desks. As I come through the aisles, please pass any and all trash to me for proper disposal. It was a pleasure having you on board. On behalf of VonLane, Roosevelt, and I would like to thank you for choosing us. Welcome to Dallas. your step when going down, please.